Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the gravy guy. It's Saturday, so I'm going to show you how to make another delicious sauce. Spring is in the air and grilling season is upon us. So in this recipe, I'm going to walk you through how to make a low sugar, mild barbecue sauce, all homemade. Round up a sauce pot and drop in 1 tablespoon or 15 grams of bacon grease. You can substitute with a neutral oil if you don't have bacon grease. Melt it down over medium to high heat. Once hot, add half of a red onion that's been diced. Occasionally stir and cook the onion until it's caramelized. When the onions are right where you want them to be, turn down the heat and drop in 3 minced cloves of garlic. Mix the garlic in and sweat it for about 30 seconds. Next up to bat, a 15-ounce can or 425 grams of tomato sauce. For a touch of liquid, half of a cup or 125 milliliters of hard apple cider. This can be substituted with a real natural apple juice. Quickly stir over medium heat. Have you ever struggled to make the perfect sauce? Wait no longer. Sauces made simply by the Sauce and Gravy channel chef, Johnny Mac, is a must for your next holiday feast or weeknight meal. Delve into a selection of savory and sweet sauces as well as rich gravy recipes with easy to follow step-by-step directions and QR codes that will take you straight to the channel's video recipes. You will be able to visualize the sauce making process and improve your sauce making skills while delighting your family and friends. Order now and get your copy today. Links are in the video description and comment section below. Add 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of molasses. For more natural sweetness, 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of honey. Round up everybody's favorite What's It sauce, otherwise known as Worcester sauce. Pour in 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters. Break out the hot smoked paprika and add 1 teaspoon. Add half of a teaspoon of pepper and a half a teaspoon of salt. Snag the whole grain mustard and drop in 1 tablespoon or 15 grams. For a hint of smoke, 1/4 of a teaspoon of liquid smoke hickory flavor. For a mild touch of spice, cayenne pepper, just a dash. Give it a quick mix, and there's one last ingredient to add for a touch of tanginess, half of a cup or 125 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. Give it a quick mix and bring the barbecue sauce to a gentle simmer and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. After a quick 15 minutes, the sauce is slightly reduced down so it's a little bit thicker, but the main thing is it's married all of those flavors. The natural sweetness, the touch of smoke, the hint of spice, and the tanginess have all come together for delicious homemade barbecue sauce. Taste the sauce, see if you need to adjust the seasoning. You can always add more sweetness, spiciness, or tanginess if needed. Oh yeah. You can either leave the sauce as is, nice and chunky with the onions and garlic, or you can blend it. That's the great thing about making a homemade sauce, is you can make it the way that you like it. Give it a quick blitz. After you give it a blend and it's nice and smooth, check it out. See if it's the consistency you're looking for. If you want to thin it out, go for it. You can with water or apple cider vinegar. And that's all there is to it. That's how you make a low sugar, mild barbecue sauce, all homemade. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And hey, you know what? If you found it helpful, share it with your friends. They might find it useful too. Thanks again for watching. Remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Until next Saturday, keep whisking, y'all.